hungry little boo boo. My little boo boo is still hungry. She says she got some millets to eat now. She's just gonna sleep in the plate. Beeper, you gonna come down and get some food? You want some food? Let me video you, you cute little beeper. You cute little beeper. Want to eat? It's okay. There. She's like, I was just checking if everything was safe. It's safe, I promise. Lufufu number 2. Is that you? Is that you, Lufufu? Why are you looking at the camera like that? Oh, it went overboard. I'm really enjoying those millets, huh? There's fruit in there also. Are you throwing the cereal or are we eating it? You're trying so hard, but the food is spraying everywhere. And her little crack seeds over here. She loves her millet. Yes, you, little princess, Lufufu. Lufufu? Yeah? Mommy's little Lufufus? Because you're just so cute boo-boos. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys eat in peace. The twins eating together. So cute. My beautiful wall.